I want to talk to you about the experience that we had when Makeen got to present in front of his friends and family all the work he had been doing in coding. Now, first of all, I'm just a tiny bit embarrassed because I was so blown away by what my child was doing. I just hear him in this room during his Camp K12 sessions, and he is enjoying himself. He is very engaged. He is laughing. He is going, oh, wait, okay, let me try this. And what was so beautiful about it is that Makeen got validated for all the work that he's been doing all these months and all the growth that he's been doing. I'm like, you designed that? You did like video center. So I just want to give so much respect and love to his teachers, because he thinks about these teachers when he's not in class. So you can tell I'm excited, right? We have had a fabulous time. I'm so glad that Mr. Shivam had us come in and do that, and his teachers are always super supportive. So thank you for the opportunity, and if you ever have the opportunity to see that, I think you'll be just as amazed as we were. Thank you so much.